You spend hours making the perfect short. You hit publish and then nothing. No views, no reach, just silence. It's not bad content. It's not luck. You're just triggering the algorithm the wrong way. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna show you 7 exact fixes, including one that can double your views instantly.
I'm about to show you 7 YouTube Shorts secrets the algorithm literally hides from you. And if your shorts are stuck at 0 views, I can almost guarantee you're making at least one of these mistakes. Today, we're pulling back the curtain.
I know you know the feeling. You pour your heart and soul into creating the perfect short. You hit publish, and then nothing. Crickets. It is one of the most frustrating feelings as a creator. So what is actually going on here?
Well, I'm here to tell you it has nothing to do with luck. The algorithm doesn't hate you. It all comes down to a few simple, powerful settings that are probably holding you back. And the best part? We can fix every single one of them starting right now.
Okay, so let's dive right in. The very first mistake most creators make happens the second they upload. This one little decision can completely kill your short's potential before a single person even gets a chance to see it. See, this is where most people get it completely wrong. Long-form videos? Yeah, those are for your subscribers, your core audience. But shorts are a totally different animal. They are built for one thing and one thing only: discovery. Their entire job is to find new people in the shorts feed. The algorithms just aren't the same. So here's the secret weapon. When you upload, you have to uncheck Notify Subscribers. Just think about it for a second. Your subscribers, they signed up for your 10-minute deep dives. When they get a 30-second short, they might just ignore it, or worse, they swipe away immediately. And that sends a toxic, negative signal to the algorithm that your video is bad. Uncheck that box and you launch your short straight into the discovery engine, right where it belongs. Okay, so you've launched it perfectly, but that's only half the battle. Now, you have to literally hand the algorithm a map. You need to tell it exactly who to show your video to. And believe me, most creators are giving it the wrong directions. 6. Not 5, not 7, 6. Why this number? What's so special about 6? Well, this is the magic number for your hashtags. Any less and you're not giving the algorithm enough information. Any more and you just look spammy and you might confuse it. 6 is that perfect sweet spot.
Look, if you're a massive channel, YouTube already knows who your audience is. But for the rest of us, you gotta spoon-feed the algorithm. Those 6 hashtags, they're your direct orders to the algorithm. You're literally saying, hey, this is what my video's about, and this is the exact type of person you should show it to. It helps find your perfect audience so much faster.
And speaking of giving the algorithm instructions, let's be real. Nobody likes writing descriptions. But what if I told you you could generate a perfectly optimized one in under 20 seconds? This is a game-changing copy-paste hack you need to start using, like, yesterday.
Seriously, pause and screenshot this right now. This is the exact prompt you use with ChatGPT. Just fill in your own info. This isn't just about filling a box. You're giving YouTube the vital context it needs to categorize your video correctly. Then, just pop that short into a relevant playlist and boom, you've got the SEO trifecta. All right, now for the really hidden stuff. These next 2 are simple on or off switches, but they could be secretly strangling your channel's growth right now. And most people have no idea.
Want to know how to get free views while you sleep? It's this setting right here. Allow embedding means other websites can feature your short. Every single time someone watches it on a blog or in a forum, it sends this powerful signal back to YouTube that your content is valuable. It is an absolute no-brainer. Make sure this is always on. Okay, pay attention because this one is absolutely critical. I mean it. Unless you are making cartoons for actual toddlers, setting your video to Made for Kids is a death sentence for your short. It turns off comments, it kills notifications, it crushes your reach. You're basically telling the algorithm to bury your video before it even has a chance. Always double-check this is set to off.
Okay, you've done everything right. The launch, the SEO, the hidden settings. But this last secret is the most important and the most time-sensitive. The first 24 hours after you hit publish, well, that's everything. It determines whether your video goes viral or just disappears forever.
The second you hit publish, a clock starts ticking. You have 24 hours. YouTube pushes your short to a tiny test audience, and it just watches. Your only job in those first few hours is to create what we call engagement velocity. It's an explosion of activity. That means you are in the comments, replying to every single one, liking everything, starting conversations. You are creating a surge of energy that the algorithm simply cannot ignore.
And here's the insane part. You don't need hundreds or thousands of likes. It's not about volume. A quick burst, just 10 to 20 real engagements right at the beginning, that's often all it takes to signal to YouTube, hey, we've got a winner here. And that can trigger a massive push to a brand new audience.
And there it is, 7 secrets that will completely change how you publish your shorts. Now that you know what the algorithm is really looking for, will you ever see that upload button the same way again? If you want more secrets they don't want you to know what to do. Follow for more.